The search for the fountain of youth has been a long-time myth and in almost all ancient cultures. Many researchers and scientists have done some experiments to find ways to slow down the aging process and prolong youth. There are some techniques that have been implemented, but consistency in implementing a healthy lifestyle and good eating habits is most important. We can't stop the natural change, but we can still look younger and take measures to slow down the aging process. Today I'm sharing 10 easy steps to help you look and feel younger. Number 1. Detox. It's important to start detoxification, getting rid of toxins from our body. Our body metabolism has done that process, but in everyday life we are exposed to so many chemical hazards from air, food and environment. Fasting or just consuming more fruits and vegetables are ways to detoxify our bodies. Number 2. Sleep. Getting enough sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, will make our skin healthier. A good night's sleep is also important because growth hormone is working during that time. It renews the old cell of our body, including the skin cells. Our skin will look fresher and younger if we get enough sleep. Number 3. Eat right. Eating healthy and safe food every day will make our body fit, lean and also look younger. Try more fish and poultry instead of red meat. Fiber nutrient foods, vegetables, fruits, and supplements are important food to consume. Drink less coffee and other caffeinated beverages. There are resources such as the book, Eating Right for Your Type, that are good to look into for more tips. Number 4. Exercise. Through routine exercise, we will feel happier, more energetic, and confident. It also increases our bone density and muscle, which can make our body look 15 to 20 years younger. Besides aerobic exercises, walking, and swimming, lifting exercises are also beneficial for your body. Number 5. Relax. When we are relaxed, our face will not only look younger, but more pleasant, thereby promoting inner peace. Stress and worries appear on our face. If we can manage our stress levels and feel at peace, our face will look younger and skin will feel better. Number 6. Be positive. A positive mind and daily affirmations can bring more light and joy into our lives. Constant negative thoughts contribute to doubt and fear and can make us look older. Meditation is one way to promote positive thoughts. Try these phrases in the morning and a couple times throughout the day for 3 to 5 days and see how you feel. I am always happy. I am in the best health of my life. Only good things will come to me today. Write and save them for easy access, and try them for a longer period of time to see the tremendous effect hearing those few words can have on your entire demeanor, even when things might seem to be falling apart. Daily affirmations are great to incorporate in your routine. A great quote from Sean Covey says, "We become what we repeatedly do." Number 7. Medical checkup. Just like a car, our body also needs attention and care so it can work well every day. Having routine medical checkups during our healthy time is important to recognize potential health issues as soon as possible. A yearly medical checkup will also help reveal any vitamin and mineral deficiency we need to take care of to get back on track. Number 8. Have an active life. Always try to be physically active on a daily basis. Activities can increase health, and if you are in your later years, your memory will increase from these daily activities as well. Number 9. Social life. A happy social life can increase our spirit, results in a more peaceful mind, and make us feel great. Communication with our friends, family, neighbors, colleagues, and others can bring happiness to us and promote wellness in our bodies. Number 10. Daily physical performance. Start looking at your daily physical performance of tasks, whether lifestyle or work-related, and notice your energy level. Are you lethargic toward the late afternoon? Do you notice any other changes or patterns in energy throughout the day, at different times in the day, or when you eat certain foods? Are you off balance, stressed, or have brain fog? Listen to your body and address these issues right away. Is your body weight ideal for your height and frame? If not, try to address this and work toward an ideal weight for you. Also look at your skin, hair, nail, and teeth. These tend to show our age. We spend a lot on products yearly for quick fixes, only to find out that a few good habits, implemented daily, might prove to be more effective. Looking good and feeling good will increase your overall well-being and ensure that you are always being your best, doing your best, and giving your best. This will return good, positive energy to you, and your body and mind will thank you for that. Remember to subscribe for more great tips like these. Please like, comment and share if you find some value. I look forward to sharing more fresh and fabulous resources soon. Here's to your health and wellness.